Super shout out everyone. This is Fernando and
Patrick.
welcome to what is Kabayan restaurant in Queens, Little Manila in Queens. And I'm going to show you the restaurant. Pretty, what do you think?
Bistro Lounge. In
Kabayan is neighbor.
Kabayan.
Kabayan is, where's Kabayan? Countryman.
Yung limipat po doon? Para mas makano nyo lang. Hi, fans! Please subscribe to Super Friends and Pinoy King Leron.
Okay.
Para updated kayo dito sa mga kalokohan namin sa New York City.
Oh, nice restaurant, kuya. Oh, now it's better. We're going to a mukbang. Yes, we went to Shanghai.
Lumpiang Shanghai, okay?
Yes, pancit. May pancit, kuya. Tortang talong.
Torta and talong.
And yung meron kayong daing na bangus?
Yes, of course, we have. Daing na bangus.
Boneless?
Yes.
Oh, sige, kuya.
What
Ano pa?
else?
Crispy pata?
Yes.
Yeah.
Crispy pata.
Magmumukbang kayo, no?
Ganun. Oh, sige, good.
Hindi,
kuya.
lipat tayo ng table. Dito na lang sa kabila para...
Lipat na naman. We have to
Masyado
move again.
maliit to. Okay lang yun. They're going to move table because they're going to do mukbang. Because this
Oh,
table is
wow.
very small for you guys. Yeah.
Okay, what's your name again, kuya?
My name is Ron. That's why I love Lebron. Please subscribe to Pinoy King Leron, guys. Okay.
Pinoy King Lebron.
Okay.
Pinoy King Leron.
Up.
Leron only.
Leron.
I repeat your order. Lumpiang Shanghai, pancit bami, tortang talong, daing na bangus, crispy pata.
Yes.
What about your drinks?
Drink, what drinks do you have?
Sago or avocado shake?
Oh, kuya, I want just tubig lang for me. Tubig.
How about you?
What is it? What's the
Sago. Filipino favorite drinks. 15 to 20 minutes cooking time.
Oh, what are we going to do for 15 minutes?
Okay.
Entertainment?
But the Lumpiang Shanghai, 7 minutes.
Oh, sige,
Okay?
good.
Okay, alright, thank you.
What is his
Alright.
name?
Leron.
Leron. It looks like so modern.
It's too loungy for you.
It feels like Miami.
Yeah, but there are things about Miami that remind me of the Philippines too.
Oh, there's the waiter. He's vlogging. Oh my. He's showing his vlog on the big screen. Mukbang is Korean. Meaning
Korean?
mukbang is
Banquet style, right?
no, it means eating show. Literally. And this is Pinoy King Leron.
Yeah. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys.
Guwapo.
See you. Yeah.
Guwapo, kuya. It's brown sugar and some vanilla flavoring.
Oh, it's so good. And when you use a big straw, the tapioca goes.
Tapioca.
What? It's so good. I must drink the whole thing. Sorry.
Yeah, is that sweet?
Do I do that a lot? Oh my God! Look at this.
Appetizer,
Now what is this?
spring roll, Lumpiang
Spring roll.
Shanghai. in
Lumpiang
Tagalog.
Shanghai.
Yeah. Crunchy.
Very popular Pinoy appetizer. Crunchy. How many pieces?
There's a lot here.
Yes, daing na bangus, milk fish.
Wow.
It's a fried milk fish.
Good.
Fried milk
Tortang
fish.
talong,
Oh,
Oh my God,
wow.
kuya.
eggplant.
Eggplant.
Amazing. Oh, it looks like.
Eggplant omelette.
Yeah.
You forgot the barbecue chicken?
Yeah, I can order it. I get 20 minutes.
Oh, so you want chicken barbecue?
Yeah.
Ah, wow.
Yun ka, pancit bami.
Oh, the pancit.
You want chicken barbecue?
Yes.
Pancit bami.
Oh my God, we have crispy pata, right?
Yeah.
And then, this is it?
That's it.
Once again, chicken
pancit.
barbecue, please.
Okay, additional.
Yes.
It's vinegar.
Wow. Tsaka mali kuya, you have to take
Oh.
a picture.
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2.
Wow, well, that's a lot of food. Okay, we have fish, we have vegetable, we have noodles, and the pork is coming,
Oh, the pork is coming. Oh, crispy pata.
and the chicken's coming. Eggplant omelette. There's no meat. Oh, my mother used to make it with meat.
What's that?
Eggplant omelette with meat.
With pork, right?
Yeah, that one is what's that? Milkfish, the national fish of the Philippines. And then, of course, for birthdays, we always we make it a point to have a noodle dish for long life.
Oh my God, this is good.
I need to eat like this. I cannot cut it.
Like this?
Yeah.
Oh no, because I cut it.
Because it's for
It's
long life.
Okay.
You
The
have
longer
to,
the noodle, the better.
you have to eat something long. Itadakimasu. Bon appetit, everyone.
Good.
It's good. It's boneless. Isn't it? Ooh, there's one more.
And now,
Uh oh.
here's the superstar of all the dishes.
Oh,
super
my
crispy pata
God, wow.
of Kabayan.
Oh wow, you have to show that.
Very crunchy outside,
Wow.
very tender inside, and this is the sauce.
This is crispy pata. It's leg, pork leg.
It's not a shoulder.
Shoulder or no, it's pork leg. Leg here. Kuya, it's too much.
It's a little intimidating.
Kabayan Bistro.
Kabayan Bistro,
Yeah. Located at 6909 Roosevelt,
Roosevelt.
New York, and we call this Little Manila.
And you know, Filipinos, we love the belly. The
Oh, that's the belly?
Yeah, the belly. The belly is the best part. This fat.
Oh yeah, look at that.
And this, I love this one. It's crunchy. The head. Mmm.
Amazing. Oh
Right?
my goodness, look at that.
Right?
Yeah,
It's
sure.
crunchy. Ooh, see, it's tender. Wow.
Oh my goodness, sorry everybody. Here we go.
Yeah?
No, this is the crispy pata,
Crispy
right?
pata.
What are the knuckles?
Did you have a pedicure? I hope you had a pedicure. No.
Chicken barbecue. Let's mukbang na.
Wow.
Chicken na
Salamat,
barbecue
kuya.
pa.
There's chicken barbecue. We're going to have
Halo-halo.
halo-halo.
Oh yeah, you have to have that.
Mmm. Fish is good. Oh, here, try this one. Right, it's good.
Really good.
And the crispy pata. You know, Filipinos, we love dipping sauce. You have to have a dipping sauce on the side, like for the lumpia. And for the fish, vinegar. And for this, this one, right? And for the chicken barbecue, and for the omelette, the omelette. Kuya. Very barbaric. The Pasig, he eats a lot.
I do.
You have a big appetite. Sugar. Sugar. Thank you, Alder.
And no one eats more than Fernando.
Huh?
No one eats more than Fernando. He's so thin and he eats 10 times the amount I eat. Right now,
Hardly.
I does it. Huh? Must be all that nervous energy.
Are you full?
Yeah, I'm really full at the moment.
You have to save room for halo halo. Chicken barbecue.
Yeah, it was really good. It's really good.
It's sweet. Savory and sweet. Yeah.
Yeah.
Halo? Right.
Oh, right.
Are you full? Or are you just resting?
I'm full and resting.
Resting. We have a
I'm
halo
hoping
halo
I can
one.
bounce back here.
There's another
I
food
think-
here.
I know. The crispy pata is amazing. The fish is pretty good, quite good. We haven't tried the eggplant, the last one.
And the fish?
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Kuya, we have a lot of leftover. We didn't even touch. We hardly touched the crispy pata
Oh my god.
and the barbecue. But you know, when I come here, I buy a lot of Pinoy food because this is about an hour from Brooklyn. And I
Yes.
rarely come here, so I buy a lot of food and take
Oh,
them
you
home.
used to get the pandesal, or not the pandesal.
Yes.
the,
Kuya, you have halo-halo?
One halo-halo.
With ube ha? Ube ice
Only
cream.
one or two?
Just one.
Cake.
Braso.
Braso de Mercedes and San Cristobal.
Braso na lang, slice lang.
Slice.
Please.
And halo-halo.
Yes, please. Okay, who's going to eat this? But usually at the party, this is the first one that's actually they go for.
Did a
We didn't even touch this one. You want to try this?
no.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Fernando.
Fernando. Happy na birthday mo pa.
Ah, yeah, thank you, kuya.
Yay!
Oh.
Good for him, actually. It's his birthday.
Oh!
And your halo halo.
Wow, look at that. That is
Wow.
amazing.
Come and try this. Kabayan.
Alright, that is halo halo.
Ano po yun?
Nothing for you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
But this is, ano nga ba to?
Brato de Mercedes.
Ano nga ba to? Custard?
Oh, in English.
Meringue?
Um,
What is it made of? Made of
know,
egg
it's-
white.
We'll try it and see. We'll try it. Bite it.
Yay! Happy birthday.
Good? Is it light? Very light, not too sweet, right? Oh, this is for the halo halo. But you have to explain what the halo halo is. What does halo halo mean in Tagalog?
National dessert of the Philippines. And it's with shaved ice.
So halo halo means mix mix.
Halo halo means mix. You have to mix it well before you eat it. The main ingredient is shaved ice. That's why when it's snowing, we Filipinos think about halo halo. Because of the ice. When it's snowing,
Oh,
it's
okay.
going to overflow. And this one is also purple yam. So you kind of like cover
yeah,
like
you
this.
should describe what's in there. There's like
There's banana. Oh, this is flan, leche flan.
and some say like beans.
This is banana.
It's-
We mix it like this so to prevent it from spilling out. Ay, caramba! Oh.
You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job.
Here. My.
Don't worry, we sanitize the table.
Yeah. You have to mix very well.
Now what's in there? There's like little bits of like
This red beans.
red beans.
Red beans.
It's so good.
Red
It
beans.
sounds weird to someone who's not used to it, but it's so good.
This is jello.
Is that jello or like
Oh.
a candy?
Some jello.
I think that's a.
And there's a jackfruit.
Oh wow.
Beans. It's a little messy. Let's go, Kuya, eat. Messy.
Yeah.
Take ice cream. Check, ang sarap ito.
Careful.
O, check na. Sarap yung container, ha?
Thank you.
Here's for the halo halo.
Thank you.
Are you going today? Yeah. Oh my God, are you going today?
Let me just check to make sure.
This one. This has been our stream. Fernando saying, be kind, be safe, and eat your halo halo. Bye-bye. I love you 25 times a day. Good luck.